Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this quick and easy spring makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So just an FYI, I will be using a variety of palettes to get this look because I don't have all these colors on one palette. I do on other ones, but I don't really like those colors. So anyways, for the first step, we're going to be using the Making Mauves Colourpop palette. And we're going to be using the color Big Fig with a small rounded fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Quickly want to jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have any questions on the product, how I apply certain things, other sorts of makeup products, things that you would like me to review, so on and so forth, please don't hesitate to comment that down below and I'll be sure to respond. For the second color, we're going to be using the 39S Such a Gem palette, and we're going to be pulling this beautiful lilac color purple. Really, it's called Grape Mines. We're going to be using a similar small rounded fluffy brush to apply this on top of the color that we just previously applied, again on the crease of our eyelids. Here you see me using the back part of my Falsies eyelashes container. Basically it's just cardstock paper. I just felt like using it. You're welcome to use anything similar, a piece of paper if you want to fold it into 3, if you want a note card, so on and so forth. Really it just helps me collect any fallout that may fall onto my foundation or onto the cheeks of my face. Definitely a lifesaver. For the third color, we're going to be using Just My Luck by Colourpop, and we're going to be applying the color that you see here called Big Banks onto the first half of my eyelid. So from the outer corner to about halfway onto the lid, we're going to be using you can either use a small rounded brush as I'm using. I also changed it midway with a small flat brush as well. And you might have guessed it, but next step is time to blend. Blending is key. I say that in every video. You do not want your makeup to look choppy. You want everything to be well blended together. Fourth color, and yes, this is the last palette. Oh my goodness, Lisa, how many palettes can you use? We're going to be using the Meant to Be Colourpop palette, and we're going to be using one of my favorite colors and names, Mojito Mommy, right in the center. A soft bright green, perfect for spring. And yes, we're using another small flat brush to apply this from the inner corner to a little more than halfway of our lids. And yes, the next step is to blend. Here I'm using a fluffy brush bigger than the ones that I used before to blend these colors out together. Almost done. We're going to be applying the same colors that we did onto the crease of our eyes onto the lower lash line. So first I'm taking again my palette Making Moves by Colourpop, the color Big Fig, and I'm using a small flat brush to apply this to the lower lash line. Yes, the entire lower lash line. On top of that, we're going to be using Grape Mines from that Morphe palette that I mentioned, 39S, on top of that color as well. You always want to wipe away any fallout that you may have. Use a big blush brush that's clean. Wipe from the inner part of your face outward, so from right next to my nose outward off the cheek, so it just rolls off. You're not trying to blend this into your foundation. And this is the final makeup look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. God bless. Take care. Bye.